Looking for one of the best gay nude beaches in Greece?
Today, we're taking you to Lageri Beach in Paros, a stunning stretch of sand with crystal clear water, beautiful dunes, and one of the most welcoming LGBTQ beach scenes we've found anywhere in Europe.
We'll show you exactly how to get here, where to park, where to find the gay section, what to bring, and everything you need to know before your visit.
And trust us, getting here is half the adventure. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Welcome to Paros, one of the most beautiful islands in the Cyclades and home to one of Greece's best-known gay nude beaches.
While nearby Mykonos gets most of the attention, Paros offers a more relaxed, authentic Greek island experience and some incredible beaches if you know where to look.
Fun fact, Paros was once famous throughout the ancient world for its high-quality white marble. In fact, some of the most famous Greek sculptures were carved from Parian marble.
Another fun fact, Paros is one of the windiest islands in the Cyclades, making it a world-famous destination for sailing, windsurfing, and kite surfing.
Before we get started though, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming gay travel adventures. Now let's dive in.
So what makes Lageri Beach so special?
For us, it's the combination of natural beauty, privacy, and atmosphere.
The water is unbelievably clear. Add in soft sand, rolling dunes, and a laid-back crowd, and you've got one of our favorite gay nude beaches anywhere.
It feels completely different from places like Mykonos, Sitges, or Gran Canaria.
It's quieter, more natural, and much less commercial, which makes it even more special.
Getting to Lageri definitely requires a little effort.
Which usually means we're going to love it.
From Naousa, it's about a 15-minute drive to the start of the access road, and that's where the real adventure begins.
This final stretch is a rough dirt road filled with rocks, potholes, and bumps.
We're driving very slowly here and definitely wouldn't recommend rushing.
Eventually, you'll reach a small parking area near the beach entrance. There aren't many spaces, so arriving earlier in the day is always a good idea.
Some visitors do hike here from Naousa, but in the Greek summer heat, we're firmly team car rental or ATV.
Once you've parked, you'll follow a short path down to the main beach. When you reach the water, don't stop here.
The main beach area tends to attract families, couples, and mixed groups.
Instead, turn left and continue walking along the shoreline. You'll eventually pass the end of a stone wall, and that's where things start to change.
The beach becomes more nudist, and as you continue farther around the bay, you'll reach the section that's most popular with LGBTQ visitors.
The dunes and sandy trails behind the beach are also a major landmark, making it easy to know you've arrived in the right area.
We'll leave some of the more detailed local tips for Patreon.
Let's just say we've done plenty of research for you.
For what to expect on arrival, the first thing we notice is how calm everything feels. No loud music, no beach clubs, no rows of umbrellas, just beautiful nature and incredibly clear water.
The sea is calm, the breeze is light, and the atmosphere is incredibly relaxed. It's one of those places where you immediately slow down.
We spend most of the afternoon swimming, sunbathing, and simply enjoying the scenery. Honestly, it's hard not to fall in love with this place.
Now here's something important to know. There are no facilities here. No beach bars, no restaurants, no chair or umbrella rentals, nothing. So come prepared.
We highly recommend bringing plenty of water, snacks, sunscreen, and anything else you'll need for the day.
Before heading out, stop in Naousa to grab supplies. Ragusi's Bakery is a great option for sandwiches and snacks.
And if you're stocking up on drinks, sunscreen, or umbrellas, the main supermarket on the edge of town is significantly cheaper than the tourist shops in the center. Sunscreen here is half the cost of anywhere we've seen.
So when is the best time to visit Lageri?
Generally speaking, May through September offers the best weather. The temperatures are warm and the water is comfortable.
If you're visiting during July and August, arriving early is definitely the way to go. Not only for parking, but also because the beach becomes much hotter during the middle of the day.
If you're planning a trip to Lageri, we definitely recommend basing yourself in Naousa. It's close to the beach, full of fantastic restaurants, and easily one of the prettiest towns in Greece.
For where to stay, we're loving Parian Boutique Hotel. Our sea view room overlooks the bay and offers beautiful views, a lovely pool area, and easy parking. Plus, you're only about a 10-minute walk to the heart of Naousa.
If you're looking for something more luxurious, we'd recommend Cosme. This gorgeous luxury collection property has incredible design, beachfront access, beautiful breakfast, and one of the best hotel experiences on the island.
We'll link both properties below and on our website at twogayexpats.com/gay-paros.
Before we wrap up, here are a few important travel tips.
First, rent a car. It makes exploring Paros dramatically easier and will save you the hassle of negotiating for taxis at the airport.
Alternatively, have your hotel book your transfers.
Second, bring more water than you think you'll need.
And third, don't skip travel insurance. For peace of mind, we recommend Safety Wing. It covers everything from lost luggage to unexpected medical expenses abroad. Links in the description.
For more travel tips, all of our behind-the-scenes footage, and additional details from our day here, join us over on Patreon.
We'll also be covering our full gay travel guide to Paros and our day at Paros' other gay nude beach in an upcoming video. So subscribe now if you aren't already.
So, is Lageri worth the effort?
Absolutely. The road may be rough, the walk may be longer than expected,
But the reward is one of the most beautiful gay nude beaches we've visited anywhere in Europe.
crystal clear water, stunning scenery, and a welcoming atmosphere make this a must-visit stop in Paros.
Well, that's a wrap for our guide to Lageri Beach in Paros, Greece. One to add to the travel list? Let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
And if you liked today's video, do us a favor and smash that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming gay travel adventures.
For more gay travel inspiration, head over to our website at twogayexpats.com. Check out the videos we've curated for you down in the Watch Next section of the description, and follow us on social media at twogayexpats.
And don't forget to join us over on Patreon for behind-the-scenes photos, videos, and exclusive content.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.